Okay, I did it. I went and bought more from Amazon haul. I could not help myself. It was another big sale. I mean, seriously, if you are interested in the Amazon haul storefront, check frequently on the app because there are tons of sales. This time I got 60% off. I got 5 shirts for $26. That is such a great deal. If you want to learn more about the Amazon haul storefront, I will link up the video from my first Amazon haul where I kind of go into a little bit more detail, but this one is just going to be an unboxing of this. I guess they're shirts. They're all shirts. I think it's 4 long sleeve shirts and 1 short sleeve shirt. So let's get into it. I just really love whenever I get these because they do take like a week to get here, so it's longer than just like my normal Amazon packages. So I kind of have like this anticipation of waiting. Here they all are. 5 shirts in all their glory, and let's look at them all. This one, let's see, I think one of them actually matches or looks almost exactly like this shirt here, and so I kind of wanted to compare the quality because I bought it on Amazon, this shirt, but I paid a little bit more than what I paid for it on Amazon haul. This one might be it because it looks really similar. It is very similar. So it's like this really stretchy material. As you can see, it's just a long sleeve jersey looking shirt. It's a t-shirt material, which I think I'm really gonna like. The next one, see if I can get it open. This is also like a t-shirt material, which is kind of what I was hoping for. I like long sleeve t-shirts, but it's not really appropriate for me to wear to work. So this kind of, I know it's not dressy, but this is dressy enough for where I work. Here's this. I like the little cuffs, that they're a different color. I think this is gonna be really cute and perfect for me. And this one is definitely softer, but I like them both. All right, next we have this one. And I think this is like a 3/4 zip, and I don't like the real heavy 3/4 zip sweatshirts. I know you've seen a lot of those. So I'm hoping this one will be a little more lightweight. And it is definitely, it's kind of like a thermal weave. So I do love that. And there it is. It's got the nice zipper. Let's see if the zipper even works. Works easily. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's Valentine's Day next week, so I wanted a Valentine's shirt because I knew it would get here in time. And so here's a cute little, this one is short sleeved, I think. Cute little Valentine's Day t-shirt. I mean, when you're getting them for like $5, you might as well buy them. And I don't have anything for Valentine's Day. I work in the school and people dress up for all the holidays. And then this is my last one, which I think is the one that matches this shirt. So let's look at it. It's not the same colors because why would I buy the same colors? Okay, yeah. So it is almost the exact same. Look at what I'm wearing. It's got the thing on there. This one might be a little bit lower down. It is not the same type of material. This is more of a, this one is more of a stretchy t-shirt. This one is, I guess it is kind of the same. This one seems more polyester-y, but it is nice and soft. So yeah, there is my 4th and final for now Amazon haul. I don't think I'm gonna buy any more, but then they keep throwing me these things that say, hey, we're having a sale, and I kind of look through it. I will say, you can tell by looking at what I bought, they are all my fashion style. This is kind of my uniform, I guess I would say. And they have lots of other different styles on Amazon haul. If you're thinking, well, I don't want to look like that. There are lots of different clothing styles to choose from, along with a lot of other stuff. It's all really inexpensive. It's a really good deal. And in this economy, I mean, we need more good deals. So if you're thinking about buying from Amazon haul, I've not been disappointed, and you can watch any of my other videos and see what else I've gotten.